Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the lightning pattern speed on Logitech G413 TKL SE. Okay, currently I'm on the static lightning mode, but I'll switch into the serpent mode just to show you how it looks. So currently we have the pattern when the lightning goes from the top side of the keyboard into the bottom, from the left to the right. And now we have the minimum value of the speed. And now to increase it, simply hold the FN button. And now to increase, tap the arrow up. And you can see that now it goes way faster. And of course, to decrease the speed, hold the FN and go into the opposite direction. Just like that. Really, really simple. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.